Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Tuesday. It is day 64 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us.
And we're excited that you're here following along with our daily YouTube series.
Yep, this is our daily video log of what we're doing under quarantine out in our garden, and maybe you can get some ideas, some inspiration from what we're doing in your own garden. So guys, before we get started here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get updates on our latest videos, and hit that bell also so you'll get a notification when our newest videos come out.
Can you guess what this is? Well, if you saw the title, you probably would. These are our sweet peas, and they're really healthy and they need to be planted in the ground. We're probably a little late getting these in the ground, but
They'll grow.
They'll grow. The problem is we are running out of space for trellises. These really need to be trellised. They could get as high as 6 feet tall.
So we have a lot of other climbing plants in our garden. We just don't have anywhere to put these for them to climb, like actual trellises. So we thought, well, let's think outside the box. Where else could they climb? We've got a fence around our raised garden bed area in our backyard, and so we thought, hey, perfect. They can climb on that, and we don't have to build anything new.
And it's a creative solution, which we like. So we're using the space we already have, and we're gonna watch how these grow. They won't be able to get as high as 6 feet tall, but they should still climb and look beautiful when they bloom.
Now, these are rated for partial to full sun. They don't need perfect soil, maybe a medium type of nutrient level. Not the best, not the worst, but something in the middle type of nutrient level in the soil.
And I think the spot we picked will be perfect for that. So we want to show you where we're gonna plant them, and then we're gonna get these in the ground.
Yep. Okay guys, we're walking into our raised garden bed area, and yesterday you might recognize some of this. We were over here talking about our new irrigation we're going to set up over here. This is the same area, but today we're here to plant our sweet peas. And here is the fence. Don't mind all the debris behind and the stuff behind the fence there. That's one of the good reasons about putting up this type of plant along this fence. Eventually, we're not going to see any of this stuff.
Those are future projects. Guys.
So, out of sight, out of mind, right? So, we will plant these little guys right along the base here of our fence, and we won't step on them. They'll be out of the way when we're working on the beds. So, this is where we're going to plant them, guys. Pretty cool, huh?
I'm excited to put them here. We have 12 plants, so we'll space them out at least 6 inches apart. And yeah, it's gonna look great.
Plenty of room to grow.
Okay, you guys, I know it's probably a little hard to see here, but we got all our sweet peas planted. So I'll take you on a quick tour here. Actually, the soil back here wasn't as bad as we thought, so it helps to have arborist chip or arborist mulch down because it really improves your soil.
When we dug down, you won't be able to see it, guys, but when we dug down, the soil looked like it was draining really well, and so these guys are really gonna love it here, and we're just excited to see them grow up onto the fence and see what they do.
We're pretty happy with that location, and it's also always so exciting to get another project checked off your list.
So let us know what you think about the project down in the comments section. If you have any questions about what we did and how we did it, also leave those down below. Hit that thumbs up button, let us know we're doing a good job, and also definitely subscribe so you get updates on our newest videos as they come out.
And that's a wrap for today. We'll be back tomorrow on Wednesday, day 65 with another project.
Yep, see you guys then.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.